One of the first things to know is that about 90% of all trucking companies in the US are small fleets of 6 trucks or fewer. That means there's a lot of small business action in the trucking sector. And that's where the LLC and S Corp debate really revs up. Let's start with the Limited Liability Company, or LLC. It's a favorite for many because it's like a protective bubble. It shields your personal assets like your home or personal savings from any business debts or liabilities. That's especially useful in an industry where unpredictability can sometimes be the only predictable thing. Plus, with an LLC, the profits and losses flow directly to your personal income without any corporate tax, which can be a big plus. Now let's talk about the S Corporation. Imagine you're behind the wheel of a truck, and the S Corp is like a more advanced transmission. It's a bit more complex, but it offers some unique advantages. S Corp also protect your personal assets, but they have a special tax structure. While they don't pay corporate income tax, you as the owner can pay yourself a reasonable salary and then take the rest as distributions, which can potentially reduce your self-employment tax hit. But let's get real. Choosing between an LLC and an S Corp isn't just about understanding the benefits. It's about matching those benefits to your unique situation. For example, if you're just getting started in the industry, an LLC might be the more straightforward choice. But if you're scaling up and expecting substantial profits, an S Corp could provide those valuable tax breaks. Did you know that as of 2021, the trucking industry employed over 3.5 million truck drivers in the US? That's a lot of drivers, and guess what? Each one has to make choices that best fit their financial and business needs. So remember, there's no one-size-fits-all. The decision between an LLC and an S Corp will be based on factors like your personal financial situation, the size of your operation, and your long-term business goals. To get either an LLC or S Corp set up with ease, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, which one are you leaning towards, an LLC or S Corp? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your business to maximum profitability.